Want to create a Snapchat account but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Snapchat account simply and easily. First, what you have to do is open your Snapchat app. After that, select the sign up option. Click on continue. Don't allow. After that, you have to write your first name. Here, I'm going to write my own name. You can write your name. After that, select agree and continue. Select your date of birth. Click on continue, and create a strong password so that nobody gets into your account. Here I'm creating an easy and simple password just to show you guys. Select the continue option and then write your email. Click on continue. After that, you can write your phone number or you can skip this option as well. After that, skip the Bitmoji option. You can create that later. And here you go, your Snapchat account is ready to use. So yes, this was it. If you found this video helpful and useful, do make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.